G'day and welcome to episode 66. In the last episode we headed west from Lake Isykyl, stopping at an ancient minaret before catching up with Lee and Steph in Bishkek, where we went rock climbing and worked on the Trippy. In this episode we drive through the incredible and ever-changing landscape of Kyrgyzstan as we head south from Bishkek towards OSH.
So now that we've said goodbye to Lee and Steph, we are heading out of Bishkek and we're going towards OSH. So from here to OSH it's like 600 k's, but we'll probably take like 2 or 3 days doing it. So yeah, we just got some diesel and now we're just driving out of town. It's actually a really cool city. It's really clean, really green, and they have electric buses, which is pretty cool. There's actually one just here, so you can see the little things coming off the roof. But yeah, so the plan this afternoon is we are just going to just drive maybe till like 5 or 6, and then we're going to look for somewhere to camp. And yeah, that's the plan. Like as soon as we hit 3,000 meters, just started snowing. Like spot on, hey? Crazy. Yep, it's pretty cold up here today. A bit fresh.
So we've got to the top of the pass per se, and there's a tunnel we have to go through which goes for a couple of kilometers. It only goes, I think, about 100 meters elevation. And I think it's operating one way at the moment, so we're just waiting here for the traffic to start coming the other way.
And we had to buy our ticket probably like 50 kilometers ago.
And I think this group of horses might just be about to go through.
Oh yeah! Oh my god! Look at them all! Oh my goodness, it's so good!
That's what we're waiting for. Not so much the traffic.
It's crazy the amount of horses that we've seen just like being shepherded along the roads here. They're so beautiful. It's probably one of my favourite things about Kyrgyzstan at the moment. What about you? I get so excited and there's so many falls, and then yeah, watching them go through the tunnel's absolutely hilarious, but yeah, it's pretty fun driving. Oh, they're all wet. Are they little falls? Yeah, straight. So we just pulled up at Toktagul Lake. We just followed a track to where we're going to camp tonight. I just got really scared because there was like a little motorbike track there, but Mark's like, yeah, we'll get down there. But I didn't have faith, but yeah. Yeah, you done alright. So yeah, we're just going to go and camp down here somewhere. Pretty good view, not bad. So Toktagul Lake is kind of like a midway point between Bishkek and OSH. So yeah, 600 kilometers in total. So this is about, it's just over 300 kilometers from Bishkek. So yeah, we're just going to camp up here tonight. It's like 2 o'clock now, so we're just going to spend the afternoon enjoying these amazing views. There's actually a herd of sheep over on this hill, and they're noisy buggers. But yeah, this place is really beautiful, and it's nice and warm, so that's always a bonus. Yes, very happy. What are you doing this afternoon?
I'm making a video.
Which one?
India.
The last India one. How's this for an office though?
Oh, pretty good.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah.
She goes alright. Pretty good, Kyrgyzstan. Office on the road. We ended up staying here for an extra 2 nights. Yeah, this place is just so beautiful. It was the perfect spot just to hang out for a couple of days and just really appreciate where we are. We were also able to do a little bit of a clean out of the inside of the troopy, so we've got a few things that we're going to get rid of when we get to OSH, and yeah, just do a bit of a cleansing because just things that we haven't used for a while. So yes, that will be good. It'll free up some space. So yeah, we're just about to head off for OSH. So it's about 300 kilometers. And then we need to stock up again because we are fresh out of food. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Just probably got 5 minutes and then we're out of here. We often have a laugh about the adventure that Maps.me takes us on, especially in Indonesia. It used to take us on some pretty narrow tracks and it was always a fair bit of fun. But today is probably the most extreme one which I've seen. So Google is saying it's like 250 kilometers I think to OSH, but then yeah, the maps on the Garmin GPS, which is Maps.me, that's saying we've got 2,142 kilometers, and it's taking us into Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, and then back into Kyrgyzstan to OSH. So yeah, I don't think we're going to be following that today. It's a slightly longer route than...
Oh, we can give it a go.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll be a bit of fun. But yeah, anyway, the drive today is absolutely beautiful. We're following this river, which is so blue.
Oh, cows.
Like glass. Oh, and then we've got some cows on the road. Oh, driving is so entertaining in Kyrgyzstan, I love it. Yeah, look, it's just like glass, isn't it?
That's it for this episode. If you enjoyed it, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, so we'll see you next time where we head to OSH. Thanks for watching. See ya.